How to apply gel on your natural nails. The first thing, you need to remove the shine in your nail because gel needs textured surface to adhere to. After we buff and we clean it, make sure all the dust is gone. You just go ahead and apply one coat of base gel. And we are just going to cure this base for about 30 seconds under a gel lamp, and then we're going to move on to color. So even though we can get away with doing just one coat, I'm gonna do 2 coats because that is the traditional method of applying gel polish. So it's 2 coats of color, same as regular polish. You apply your base coat and then you apply your 2 coats of color. Okay, now that we've applied our 2 coats of color, let's go ahead and apply top coat. As you can see, it's protected, it's safe, and it's good to go.